So I'm gonna try to film this maybe in like not 2 parts, but there'll be probably random cuts. I want to find my light. Okay, so what was the last vlog? Probably a couple vlogs ago. I promised you guys I'm only laughing because I'm a dork. I promised you guys that I would do a grocery haul, and halfway through my grocery haul, my phone crashes. I did run into Helen's mom though. If you're watching this, I ran into her at Market Basket. She's so sweet. She's such a sweet lady. So I can definitely see where Helen gets her personality from. They were very, very kind. She was very kind and very sweet. So we had a quick exchange over by like the ice cream or something. I ran into her very quickly when I got there. So, but yeah, she was super sweet, and she was talking about how her and Helen watch my videos all the time. And I don't know, she's just very, very kind. It's been a couple hours. It's a little chilly in here, so. What the heck? I'm sorry. Her reaction. Baby, we're not doing those. Mimi's coming back. Quick side note, I had this enormous pimple that I've been battling for like 3 days. It was gigantic. It first started as this little one up here, and then it just turned into anywho. But I just feel like my face maybe looks dirty. I mixed 2 different foundation shades. To be honest, I've been wearing makeup so minimally, not just because I've been super depressed. I've been doing a little bit better battling that, but like Monday through Friday, because I work all day in a restaurant, I've just been like not even worth it. I'd rather get an extra hour of sleep during the week and just give my face a break. So on the weekends is when I put on makeup. But I'm out of my self tanner, so now I'm like at that weird, I gotta go get some more, but I'm at that weird phase where I'm like lightening up, so I'm trying to figure out foundations. And long story short, I just feel like my face looks dirty, but maybe it's the lighting, like right around here in particular. I don't know why. It's probably because I forgot to shave this morning. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Anyways, we are gonna make those mini pancakes for Hunter so we can get a bunch made and in the freezer. I gotta be honest. This Bisquick needed milk and eggs to make pancakes. A little obnoxious, if you ask me. Ow! I forgot my crock pot was on. So we're gonna probably split the recipe in half because it calls for 2 cups of the pancake mix, and I don't think I have 2 cups in here. Let's find out. I should probably do this over a sink, but oh yeah. Okay, it's not quite 3/4 of a cup, but it's not quite a cup either. I don't know what fraction that is, but we're gonna change the recipe a little bit. The original recipe calls for 1 cup of milk, so we'll grab half a cup. We're gonna take this off. I look stupid a lot of the time, so we're gonna take that off. Come here. I'm taking Hunter to a trampoline park because last week was his birthday and we got completely snowed in. I didn't get to take him last week. The only reason I'm not taking her is because my mom had already asked yesterday if she can spend the night tonight, have a sleepover. So I'm not mentioning it to her because I don't want to hurt her feelings and have her assume that I'm just purposely keeping her out, which is not the case. But I also don't want to not celebrate Hunter's birthday because she can't be there. I figured, because we did like a cake and everything all together as a family and like presents. So I figured this would be an opportunity to like just have that one-on-one time with him, just as I would do something special one-on-one for her birthdays. I just wanted to, I didn't want to hurt her. You know what I mean? Little man is just taking a nap at the moment, and my mom actually should be here relatively soon. I think she said by 2:30. It's 2:15 now. I haven't heard from her though, but I gotta pack a super light bag for Ella for an overnight bag. It'll take me like 5 seconds, so I'm not even worried about that. We also need 2 eggs, so we're gonna do 1 egg. Okay. We're trusting ourselves, so putting it right in the bowl. Any shells? So I'm just gonna make okay, we're going down. I'm gonna make as many as we're gonna stay down here now. Apparently, it's so flattering. Also, this thing should be done around 5:30, the way that I tried to time it. So I have to keep that in mind when I do take little man out later, that I need to be home. Get done. I need to turn me down. No walks in with the mischievous grin. Thunder. You told the story, or am I? I'm sorry, Mia, go on. Okay. All right. I'll be back after I bake a bunch of these. Change of plans. My mom just texted me asking if she can get Ella later tonight, so Ella doesn't know yet, but she'll end up coming to a trampoline park with us, with Hunter and I, so I don't think she'll be super disappointed. Now it's just a matter of waiting on little man. I'll probably give him like another half hour tops, and then after that I'll wake him up and we'll go. So we just got back from the trampoline park and there was no way that I was gonna record there. It was so busy. Oh my gosh. I knew the minute that I pulled in, we made a mistake. I couldn't even find a parking spot. Oh, I ended up having to go behind the building and like park behind a dumpster because I felt so bad. The kids were all excited to go, so I felt like I couldn't just not go. But it was quite an adventure. I have a problem. And now, however, I took a shower earlier and now, sorry, I'm blocking that. But if you aren't new, you guys know I've been working on my house. This door is hideous, but there's no point in painting it because the wall that door is attached to is an old wall. Problem is that wall is supposed to come down. This blue or gray wall is obviously the new wall with a new wider door. Okay, wonderful. So I was taking a shower down here earlier and my shower is behind this wall and I started noticing some water on the floor where it shouldn't be, like right where you guys can't really see it, but there's like a gap. There's a gap here, okay? So in this gap, there's water, and there shouldn't be. So there's a leak now in the pipes that's between the shower wall and this wall. And it's so out of my ability. I don't know how to do plumbing. I don't know if it's like an electrical tape thing. Like, I'll probably get the shower running just to see where the leak is coming from. And then I'll probably just electrical tape it because, dude, I'm gonna have to knock down this wall to access those pipes. And I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I was this close to getting like 2 more pieces of drywall. I'm just waiting for it to stop snowing or raining. So it's been like 2 weeks since I've hung drywall, but yeah, so there's that. I don't know what to do. So right now, I still have my upstairs bathroom down here. Typically, I just give the kids baths. So I don't think technically that pipe is leaking too. But the pipe going like to my basement, I'm not as worried about actually, because my basement is a wet dirt basement. Anyways, obviously water in a basement is never good, but I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm probably, next time I'm at Home Depot, I'm probably just gonna grab a buttload of electrical tape and patch it up until I can afford to replace some pipes. That's fun. Also, I lost my license like 4 days ago and I can't find it. And so far haven't needed it. But I think it might be at Ella's school because I took it out of my wallet to show the lady my ID when I was picking Ella up because the after school program is new to us. So I showed her it. She looked at it, handed it back to me, and was like, oh, that's the last time. Like, I'll need to see it. I know who you are now. And then that's it. I drew a blank. So I'm really hoping that maybe it fell out of my pocket at the school, but because it was a snow day on Friday, I haven't been able to call them or anything. So there's that. One of Ella's favorite cereal is, I don't know if it's like exclusively at Walmart, but I didn't find it in the grocery store that we usually go to. But it's funny because this was my favorite cereal when I was a little girl in the 90s. They discontinued it, and then like maybe 3 years ago brought it back. Is the Oreos. She loves them. I love them. We grabbed 2 boxes. That way we would have an extra one. So I'm gonna go put one in the pantry. Oh, I thought they were different kinds. I just had a heart attack. So 2 of those. I also had to grab. I was so excited. They're so hard to find sometimes. But I found them tucked at the bottom shelf all the way in the back. I found them though. You can't hide from me. We're gonna try out the crock pot. Will be done in 10 minutes. All right, real quick. This piece of wood that I showed you guys a couple vlogs ago is so intimidating to me. And I'm looking at it. I haven't even climbed up on it yet, but I still don't think if I stand up on that I'm gonna be able to reach that corner. So I might have to use the saw to trim it down a little because now it's like too wide. I can't reach here either from the floor. It's too high. So I'm gonna have to move this down here at some point anyway. Like this I can reach just standing up to here. I reached up to here standing. Up here though, I can't reach. Like there's that seam, this corner obviously. So I need to move this down anyway. And I think what I'm gonna have to do, because I'm not gonna be able to reach that corner, is move this down no matter what, and then put my ladder or a chair on top of this and then be able to reach there. I'm gonna die, but this is not gonna work. There's too much of a gap between, I'm so scared. So basically I'm gonna bang this out with the hammer because that's how I got it in. And then we will, we'll move it. Okay, that was hilarious. I'm really mad I missed it. Oh boy, I almost lost this thing down the stairs, but it's okay. Just in case any of you are aware, this is why I can't get filming done and published at a decent time. So those of you who want to complain that my vlogs are a month behind, well, this is why. Because I was sitting here calmly editing a video, watching Encanto for the first time, and now this is what I'm surrounded with.